Hi guys, it's Stock Trader Max here and welcome to another video where today we're going to be analysing the broad stock market as well as the Bitcoin market and trying to predict where it could be heading within the next 24 to 48 hours as we work our way through this trading week. Today is hump day, so we are already halfway through this trading week and not much has happened so far, but I feel like things could start to pick up from here as we move into the US election. But before we get into the technicals of today's video, as always, really quickly, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. This will give you access to my website where you can sign up for a very small fee of $29. Once signed up, you'll gain access to a Telegram group chat as well as the Investors Lounge, which is an area where once you're a member, you can watch videos on our latest positions that we have open over my Telegram group chat, and I explain in depth why we've taken those positions on board and our exit strategy, etc. And you also gain access to the educational hub where you can learn how I trade on a day-to-day basis. But also just like to say a massive thank you to everyone who's joined over the past couple of days. We've had a very large number of you and we're now nearly close to 100 members, so thank you very much, and I hope you are all enjoying it so far. But let's get started here with the S&P 500. As always, it's still in my own humble opinion that we're trading within this 5-wave move higher. 6,000 is the target. Nothing's changed here. I do expect this to hit by the end of the year. I think closer to 5,900 there is a lot more resistance, but with that being said, this is now the third negative session in a row. Obviously the market has just opened as of 29 minutes ago. We're only down 0.24%, so nothing major to report on, but this is expected during this period of the year leading into the US election. You know, not many investors are going to want to invest too many chips ahead of the big election date. Investors, they want certainty, and at this moment in time, we don't know. Who is it going to be? Is it going to be Trump? Is it going to be Harris? One thing is for sure is that the betting markets are predicting a Trump win. Let's just go ahead and refresh this page real quick just to make sure it's up to date. But you know, Trump clearly the leader with a 63.9% gain over Harris's 36.2%, and this really has, the spread really has started to grow pretty much since the 4th of October. So since the start of October, Trump has really started to take the lead here versus Harris. It should be noted about Poly Market, it's just a betting site. It's not an official poll site that you can have too much confidence in. But that being said, this is a very large spread, and I think it does have some significance to it. But yeah, S&P 500, I would expect further weakness perhaps going into the US election, but post-election, guys, I really do believe that we can start to see this market move higher. Again, it comes back to taxes, right? If you close stocks now, the likelihood is that they are trading near 52-week highs, and if you take those gains, you're going to have to pay those taxes come April, where if you wait until January, you then have 14 months to pay those taxes because you would have to pay in April 2026. So there's not many people right now who will be looking to close their stocks in significant gains at current at current prices, with the tax years still having 2.5 months left. But if we just move over to the Nasdaq 100, very similar, 20,264. We haven't really done much the past couple of days. Technology has been a underperformer since the start of the summer. In fact, AI, the word AI, the buzz around it has kind of died off a little bit since the early summer, but I do expect that to return to the markets. Potentially this happens after the US election. I think the US election is stealing a lot of the limelight at this moment in time, but you know, don't be fooled. AI is here to stay, and I think that technology will regain its momentum as we go and trade post-US election. And then finally, just to wrap up today's video, guys, we have Bitcoin trading at 66,663 at present. Nothing wrong with this chart whatsoever. We are in this humongous cup and handle pattern, which takes us all the way back to the previous cycle high, which was on the 9th of November 2021. Again, I'm expecting this to top out in November 2025. But with that being said, you know, we just basically seeing a simple back test here after breaking out, a potential breakout of this cup and handle pattern. So we're just back testing the previous area of resistance as a new area of support. And once we have that support confirmation and we can break above the swing highs that we formed back on the 21st of October, which sit at around 69,242, that will then likely result in us breaking above the highs that we formed back on the 29th of July, which sit at around 69,950. And once we break above this white line, we are off to the races, and it's in my own humble opinion that we will achieve a brand new all-time high in a very short period of time. And again, guys, post-US election, providing that Trump wins, I think that we could see a huge rally, and I would go as far as saying that 90 to 100k Bitcoin is probably achievable before end of year. That's right, within 2.5 months from now. So yeah, really bullish here, guys. Obviously, me and my trading team over at Daily Market Movements, we do have some trades open at present right now in some of the Bitcoin proxies, such as the miners, MicroStrategy, etc. If you would like to gain access to that, then you know what to do. Visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. Once again, I charge a very small fee of $29, and once you pay that sign-up fee, you will gain a whole lot of knowledge from myself, and of course, you should hopefully be able to win back that $29 through trading profits and a lot more, of course, by joining. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow, and good luck all.